And we are back on the pod. So welcome back guys, and it's episode 21, our Valentine's special. So the other day, I gave or posted on Instagram what or to give me questions, and some of it I'll answer here. And I'm gonna pick a few. Well, konti naman nagtanong. Pero some are one-liners, some are pwedeng explain. So let's start right away para wag masyado mahaba tong episode kasi baka may mga date pa kayo, di ba? Dahil it's almost Valentine's. So, ayun. So let's go straight to it. Um, Number one, are you single? Yes. Are you dating? No. What's your type? It depends talaga. Parang wala akong super certain type. As long as she's understanding, caring, um, maalaga, and of course, may mata, may bibig, may hindi joke lang. Basta, magandang personality in a way na yung vibe niya is pasok sa vibe ko. I think it's all about the vibe and ng tao. So, ayun. Um, in terms of physical preference, depends eh. Iba-iba naman ng type ko. Mostly na ano ako sa personality, and when I connect with the girl talaga. That's how I get to like someone. So next, what is love? Nakakatotong tanong na to dahil every time na tinatanong, I remember Alex Cabagnot. And um, ang sagot ko dito parati is love is blind and lovers cannot see all the pretty follies from from Shakespeare since high school. For some reason, we had to memorize it, read the book of Shakespeare. Tapos, ayun, di ko makakalimutan lang yung line na yun. Pero, it's very general what is love. It depends talaga. It's very subjective, siguro. Everyone has their preference in terms of how they want to love and how they want to be loved. And kanya-kanya yan, kanya-kanya. Next, ito, punta tayo sa mga questions na medyo mas mahaba yung sagot. Oh, hindi pa pala. So, do you cry when you get heartbroken? Yes, of course. Not just like love life or anything, pero in general, when I get heartbroken, um, tungkol sa kahit saan. Doesn't have to be uh, love life, pero yes, I do. I rarely cry in front of people or in front of someone. Pero when I do, it hurts or talagang ramdam na ramdam ko yung pagka-heartbroken. How to move on? This one is hard question for me kasi kanya-kanya tayo. Like I always say, everyone is unique. There are people who like goes out, spend time with friends, party when they want to move on. Eventually they meet people there, they meet someone there. But some people naman, yun, nagluluksa, di lumalabas ng kwarto, nag-vanish for a while. Yung sinasabi na, nagpapagupit yung girls, may nag-gym. Pero moving on for me is moving through. I think you have to move forward and move through it um, para you can move on. It's not just going through that wall banging yourself, but it's somewhat accepting the fact na wala na, accepting the fact na hindi na kayo. And then the only way you can really, really, really move forward. I think when you love someone, It's hard to unlove that person. Parang they become part of your life. Pero moving forward, moving on is it's just setting aside that kind of love or loving them on a different way. Especially siguro if yung breakup niyo is not or is in good terms, yung parang wala namang cheating nangyari, walang third party, pero you just have to break up. It happens a lot. You're not on the same page. Baka may age gap, baka you're ready, your partner's not ready. Parang that's harder when you have to move on. Kasi nag-break up kayo in good terms, alam mo yun. So, I think it's harder. It's harder when it's like that. Minsan isipin mo sana nag-cheat na lang siya, nag-cheat ikaw para pag inaway ka talagang wala kang laban. Alam mong may mali rather than parang wala namang mali or hindi obvious yung mali. Yung mali is your circumstances ay yung mahirap eh. So how to move on? Depende. Take time. Kung gusto mo kumain ng marami, kumain. Kung gusto mo umiyak ng marami, iiyak mo ng marami. Ganun talaga. Kanya-kanya you have to find that thing that would help you move on. So, feed friends around you, go. If kailangan mo pag-isa, go. Depende yan sa'yo. Pero, pero yun, iiyak mo, gawin mo lahat, and then eventually you have to um, pakonti-konti. It doesn't, parang hindi siya mangyayari overnight. Definitely not even weeks or some months, iba years. Pero parang slow motion is better than no motion. So kahit dahan-dahan lang, di ba? Baka mag-relapse kaya after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month. Pero as long as you're moving forward, better na yun. Okay. So next, thoughts with situationship. Um, Medyo Gen Z term to eh, no? Situationship. I think, kasi ngayon parang dami ng layers and ang daming labels, kaya parang humihirap and nahihirapan lahat. If you're in a situationship, I guess the number one thing, like any advice, is to communicate well. If you're, I don't even know if you call them a partner or yung ka-situationship nyo. Um, you just have to remove that situationship part and talk to that person and say, ano ba tayo? Saan na ba? Mahirap na situationship eh. Kasi at the end of the day, may aasa at aasa dyan. Some people would fall in love and yung iba nagkakatuluyan. Pero a lot of times, marami lang nasasaktan. Ayun yung problema sa situationship. Medyo Gen Z, hindi ako masyado relate pero I heard about it so ayun yung tingin ko. Next is paano ba magmahal? Paano ba magmahal? Dapat 100%. Though, natutunan ko, ewan ko sa inyo, pag nagmahal ka, kailangan mahalin mo rin sarili mo. Hindi pwedeng ibigay mo yung lahat mo sa isang tao at gawin mong mundo. Kasi pag iniwan ka niyan, baka makalimutan mo kung sino ka na. So, it's true. Kailangan both ways. Magmahal ka ng todo pero huwag mong kalimutan mahalin yung sarili mo. Lalo na kung di pa naman kayo mag-asawa, di ba? So, dapat ganon. Dapat give and take. Dapat huwag kalimutan ng sarili. Self-love is first parate. Ayun yung tingin ko. Um, Mahal mo o mahal ka? Mahal ko. Ako yung tao na iba, parang talagang pag nagmahal todo. Kaya yung sagot ko, hindi dito sa sagot ko kanina eh. Kailangan ng matuto. Um, Medyo giver ako talagang when I when I fall in love, talagang bigay todo. Minsan nakakalimutan na yung sarili. Pero ganun, ngayon nakalimutan ko na. De, joke lang. Ano ba, paano ba? So, next, binibilisan ko lang. Gusto ko mabilis na episode for Valentine's kasi baka hindi nyo na panoorin eh. Busy kayo, magde-date pa kayo. Friends with your ex. My take on this is, yes, it could happen. Pero depende sa tao, depende sa breakup mo siguro, depende sa tao. And also, depende kung kaya mo. I forgot. I watched this parang talk show. Ganda ng pagkasabi, nakalimutan ko eh. It's about maturity and kung bakit ka nandun. Parang ganun eh. Parang sinasabi niya was, you can only be with your friends if you're mature enough and if you're emotionally stable. Mature enough na nandun ka dahil gusto mo talaga maging friends, hindi yung may hidden agenda ka, hindi yung dahil gusto mo siyang balikan. And emotionally stable dahil hindi ka marupok. Yung parang gano'n. Yung baka mamaya at one point after a few weeks, bumalik yung feelings mo and then masisira na naman yung friendship ngayon. Baka hindi pala siya ready. Diba? So parang somewhat like that. I'm trying to find tapos baka eventually hanap tayo ng episode about it. Ganda nung pagkasabi niya. I forgot yung two exact words pero yung one is maturity nga. Mature enough ka na yun na nandun ka dahil sa friendship hindi dahil gusto mo magkabalikan or maging kayo ulit. Also, I feel like after a breakup, you should take a time to hindi na muna mag-usap. Ang hirap nung pagka-break nyo, mag-uusap pa rin kayo kasi parang hindi kayo nag-break nun. At pareho kayong aasa nun, pareho may feelings pa rin, very fresh. Siguro it would take a while para maging friends ulit kayo. Or pag nagkaroon na ng boyfriend or girlfriend kayo, isa't isa or yung isang tao, baka pwede. Lalo kung may foundation naman kayo. Pero I know some people doesn't believe in that and to each of his own. Diba? Kanya-kanya naman tayo. Kanya-kanya tayo kung ano yung trip natin. Iba kaya, iba hindi. So go do what you wanna do. Tapos may follow-up question yan eh. Nasaan ba yan? Parang, hindi pala follow-up. Pero, girl best friend, boy best friend. Okay lang ba magka-girl best friend, boy best friend of the opposite sex? Feel ko okay lang kung friends na kayo before nyo makilala yung, or talagang super close na kayo, super best friends kayo before maging kayo nung jowa mo. Pero, somewhat dapat you have to communicate well dun sa jowa mo kasi darating siguro yun magkakaselos. Bakit close ka pa rin sa ano, best friend mo, ganyan, ganyan. Tapos, di ba? So, number one, you have to communicate. Number two, mababawasan pa rin oras. Hindi pwedeng kung paano kayo ng best friend mo, opposite sex best friend mo, dati, ganun pa rin kayo ngayon. Mababawasan yan. Mahirap eh. I'm sure magkakaroon ng selosan kahit papaano. And of course, kahit ikaw, kailangan you have to drift away rin dun sa best friend mo na konti. Yung best friend mo will understand if totoong tao siya and totoong best friend siya. She will drift away rin. Pero when you need her, like, advice or help or whatever, she's gonna be there. Ay, totoong best friend din pagka I believe that true best friends or friends, true friends, doesn't have to be there every day. You don't have to talk to them every day. Pero they're there when you need them the most. They're there on your highs, they're there on your lows. And walang kapalit yung pagtutulong, no? Very pure and genuine. I really believe in that. And then, next, ito hindi ko alam eh kasi may nagtanong um, how will you manage? Hold on, nawala. Hold on. So na yun. Ito. thoughts for gay couples who can't disclose their relation to their families. Hirap yan dahil lalo na siguro kung I have gay friends naman and I know gay people, kung hindi ka tanggap ng family mo na gay or closet ka. Pero also, I think there has to come to a point where you just have to tell them um, kasi ang hirap for that and for your partner especially. Eventually, kung hindi kayo mag-out or one of you siguro hindi out, baka mahirapan hindi na mag-work yung relationship nyo. Wala akong experience pero that's how I see it siguro. Even yung mga tagong relationship, if not just gay relationship but straight relationship, kung yung isang side is tago, hindi accepted ng family, mahirap. Yes, there might be success stories pero syempre mas maganda pagkaalam ng lahat, malinis sa lahat. Parang very clean, very pure yung when you do things, when you have to go out, hindi kailangan tago, di ba? Mas madali yung ganon, you can do more things. Yung iba siguro they thrive on the thrill, pero not everyone can do that as well. And mahirap yun. Baka at the end of the day, hindi kayo magkatuluyan, sayang naman yung oras, no? Um, there were specific questions also na very detailed, pero siguro ibang episode na lang. Doon na tayo sa mga general. So, ayun yung mga napili ko for today's episode. Merong one best thing you did for a girl during Valentine's. Not Valentine's naman, pero pang ibang episode na to, pang ibang episode. Um, Natatawa ako, pero wala. Wala, natatawa lang talaga ako pag naisip ko. So, siguro I'm gonna end it here. By the way, earlier, before I end pala, I was in MOA for the Manila Hustle. Shout out to Manila Hustle and Peachy Medina and family for pulling this off. Ganda nung daming tao. For 3x3, Manila Hustle Season 3, Manila Hustle 3x3 Season 3. Zeus, shout out to Zeus. It's a women's, for those who don't know, it's a women's basketball 3x3 tournament. International teams are here from Japan, Korea, Thailand, Singapore, Spain. Nag-champion was Zeus. They represent Japan. Then kalaban nila yung Spain. There were two players who played in the Olympics. Grabe yung ganda ng tournament and yung games, so quality of games, quality of players who played. Nakakatuwa. So gusto ko lang i-share yon. And then again, please, if you reach this part, visit Flipside Burgers in Arcovia. Sobrang sarap ng burgers. Don't forget to order onion rings. Yung tambahin ko, Common Folk, shout out to the guys there. In Common Folk, shout out to the guys from Flipside, J Boys. And for those listening to this pod, and this is the Valentine's special, I hope you enjoyed this. Try natin mag-isa pang ganitong klaseng episode next time with a guest siguro. Baka better with a girl's perspective siguro. Pero that's about it. And happy Valentine's and peace out.